I still surprise me when I'm traveling in how many ways you can eat eggs. Personally, I like it cooked for 6 minutes. In my free time, I like to go out with friends. I don't have to go to the clubs. With a good dinner or a good glass of wine or beer, it's perfect. And I like to spend some time with my 2 kids. In 3 words, I would say calm, trustful, but the most important thing, fun. You need to have fun in life. I was born and raised on a poultry farm, on a rearing farm for layers. I started to work in the business in 1990. Started to work on a farm as a farm manager. From there, I go in the technical service. So I visit contract farmers, contract rearing farmers to do technical service. And I did some sales. And after that, I joined the H&N International. Now for 10 years. Main job is Europe, but I'm also joining the technical team for H&N International. Means I can also do some technical service out of Europe, all over the world. We have all types of breeds. Means super nick, nick chick, crystal nick, we have the brown nick and we have the cobble. So in Europe we use them all. Farmers depends on the country, of course. It's a calm bird for the cage housing, good production, good egg quality. For the cage-free systems, means in Europe cage-free is coming more and more. The bird is calm, but it's flexible enough to find a way in all types of equipment. So, and that's the most positive thing for the customers in my area. Parent stock, it's a little bit the same story. Of course, good production, good hatchability, good day-old chicks. But beside of that, I have also some customers, they have the breeders on aviary system. So they move well to all types of system. Female line and the male line, it's working perfect. I'm learning every day. One of the most important thing is to spend some time inside the house, to listen to the birds, to have a good look, smell. And the best way to do sometimes is to say to the customer, can I have 15 or 20 minutes? Because you need to do it alone. Because when you are with a lot of people, there is a lot of talking, but you don't have the good eye for the flock. So spend some time. It's important to have all the information on the paper. Data is important, but when you go inside and you take some time to smell, hear and have a good look, you see a lot of things. The biggest future challenge for Europe, that's my area, it's of course animal welfare, that it's moving very fast. Of course the transition to cage-free, the ban on the beak treatment, it's a never-ending story. And every time it's a big challenge for the producers. And I learn from them and I try to give all that information that I learn from our customers to some other customers. For my personal experience, it's good. We have a small team. Means it's a lot of work, but everybody knows the members in the team. So you can make short lines. You don't have to inform a lot of people before that you can come to some action on the farm. So that's, I think, the most positive thing about the H&N International team. That makes me proud that You are working in a small team and you need each other. And I think that's the most important thing, that we are really working in a team. You are not walking alone, and I like that. I really like that. I think it's perfect. I think for me, but also for my colleagues, you can go to producers or to customers and help them and explain them. But with that experience, and you are able to put it on a paper, or you can put it in a file online, so that other colleagues can also have the access to all the information. I think that's the power. And when you can do it in a nice format, as marketing now doing for H&N, that is perfect. I hope that I can stay for longer time with H&N International. There is a lot of things to do. It's not an ending story. There is, when you fix something one day, there is a new challenge the other day. I like things like that. And with an open discussion with people, a trustful relation, I like in the way that it goes like that. So I hope for the future we can go on like that, and together with my colleagues. I hope that they feel a little bit the same as I do.